Hi, I just thought I'd do a quick video about the Stanley Fatmax Deep Pro organiser. There are two different versions. This one has a waterproof seal on it as well, which basically means you can run it outside. So there are two different boxes here. The one on the left here is the waterproof box. The one on the right here is the non-waterproof box. The waterproof box has metal catches at the front, and the non-waterproof box has plastic catches at the front. It has two catches at the front, one on the side and one on this side, and they can go all the way down, and they're recessed so they're not catching on anything. Now the waterproof box has a waterproof seal going all the way around the lid. The non-waterproof box, the catches still go down fully on the sides, and these front ones are plastic, but they're a nice plastic, they're not a cheap plastic. And then this one doesn't have the waterproof seal on it. The boxes inside you can take out. Now the only two that you have to have as small are these two in the front. The rest of them you can have any setup you want. So this one I have two big ones in, but this one here I have it all just small, as they're for my electrical grommets and fixings. So I don't actually need any big ones in here. I've got a few of these drawers, which means that I can have whatever setup I want. In the lid there are moulded sections which actually fit between the boxes, no matter which setup on the boxes you have, so they do not move around. And if you put the side clips on as well, it doesn't matter too much if you're using a lightweight, but if you're doing a heavy weight, now these literally just stay in perfectly and don't come out. Waterproof box, clip, two on the side. And the other nice thing is that you can stack them on top of each other if you wanted to. But I have them set up in drawers showing what we've got. Anyway, lovely boxes. They're definitely the ones I'd recommend. That's the Stanley Fatmax Deep Pro organisers. I've just come down to the workshop to show you how much weight these boxes can hold. These two are both the non-waterproof version, and they're completely full of nuts and bolts. And this one has all my 16 gauge nails in it, and I would reckon that it's got to weigh at least 15 kilos, and that one's probably 10 kilos. To the point that you can't lift the box up with a single hand. That's the Stanley Fatmax Deep Pro organisers. Thank you for watching.